chasing the hunt and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. I feel like this, I'm immortal. Don't be scared, just keep it up, don't be scared. I'm